Folks, I have a present for you. The Google Sheet that you see on your screen is a list of 600 plus people that are confirmed coming to Token2049 Dubai. Where I got this list, I'm going to tell you in a minute, but basically the data that you have here is the first name, last names, company names, what the company is doing, what the person is doing, their BD, their founder, their VC, any of that like title, the personal Telegram, personal Twitter, personal LinkedIn. Everything that you need to know to come in, get this list, search it, filter it for the right keywords or for the right title, for the right persona that you're interested in, find the contact data, go DM them, book the meeting up front, pure profit. That's what you need to know. So the question here, how do you get the access to this list? A very good question. You need to go to the Luma, to this link. It's going to, every link that I'm telling you about is going to be below in the description in YouTube. The event's called Restaking Infra Day. You need to go and apply here, and you're going to get this list as a part of the event. Thank you so much for Epic Web3, Layer Zero, and everybody who participating in organizing this event. I think that it's a very good thing that you guys are doing, because this list not only helps to improve the connection on the event that you're doing, but also improves the total experience that people have in the Token2049. So if you know them, or if you are from Epic Web3, big shout out to you, like personally. I'm really, really grateful, because the thing that you are doing here is what Web3 business need to do, like sharing more information, getting everybody to know each other and basically move the business forward. That's how we do the things. Thank you so much for the attention. So go apply here. If you didn't get accepted for any reason, just DM me and we can figure something out, like figure out a list for you. And the last thing for people that want to make this super effective, because we have only 7 days left to, like approximately 7 days left until the weekend in Dubai starts. Basically at Enrich, at our platform, we have automations on Telegram. So we have this list here, like around also like 600 people. And let's say, so first of all, we're going to allow you to filter out through this database, like in a smart way. So not only doing like one by one, but for example, you're going to go and you can say like in project X, I want to connect with everybody. Like, for example, you sell to DeFi. So show me everybody who works in DeFi. It's going to be 102 people here. Of course, I'm not going to go and like follow up everybody like one-on-one and then send follow-ups and all the things, because it's going to take a lot of time. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select the people that I'm interested in, like for example, like this one. And I'm just going to enroll them in a bulk Telegram campaign, and it's going to run. So the campaign will be automatically set up for the first message, second message, third message. It's going to be personalized. Everything you need to know, just create a good copy, put variables, send it to the people, book the meeting, and that's it. Thank you so much for the attention. Let me know if you want to learn more about Enrich. If not, apply for the event. Again, big shout out to Epic Web3. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.